that's an awful face. Oh, that's an awful face. Awful face. Oh, Hunter.
Is this Pirates of the Caribbean?
I don't know.
Creedy, is this Pirates of the Caribbean?
Yeah.
Arrgh.
Does she ever watch movies with
I just see your hand next to my face and I'm like, eh.
Yeah.
you? Does she ever watch movies with you?
Oh, she's in there all the time.
Perch. Or step up. Put your hand there. Let her step on your hand.
Step up.
Step up. On your hand, baby.
Don't peck me.
She won't get you.
Step up.
There you go.
See, they use their beak like a third foot.
Mm-hmm. Now she's gonna get up on this arm.
But thing is, she's never bitten a kid, ever.
Yeah, dance with it. Dance, Hunter.
No way. Here we go.
Okay, one more little pirate shot here.
Come on, Hunter, turn around.
Okay, I don't think she's gonna get up on my arm. You gonna get
Hunter,
up?
look over here.